Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures and the other way around. Alright, so let's start by getting into the proper section. We have to open the settings first of all. And in the settings, let's scroll all the way down to find System and Update. On the second position, we've got System Navigation, so let's tap on it. And here we've got our two different options. So if you've got the gestures and you'd like to use the buttons, simply tap on this option and your device will immediately apply 3-button navigation. Here you can customize it, so you can reorder back button and the recents. So it depends which option is more comfortable for you. Here you can also customize circle to search. I mean, you can turn it on and off, and same with Digital Assistant. So obviously this one, the 3 bars icon, is responsible for opening the recents. Here, square one is responsible for getting back to the home page directly, and back button to get to the previous page. If you wish to set the gestures, just tap on this animation here, and your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial. So of course you can do it. I don't want to do it, because I will also explain you how to use the gestures in a second. So you can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it if you wish. However, you need to be aware that you will not be able to use circle to search, as it is associated with this line. So it's up to you whether you're using circle to search or not. Here we can vibrate on back navigation, mistouch prevention. Again, learn gestures, so you can go through the tutorial, and sensitivity to back gesture. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to need to decide actually whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Here other, so circle to search again, which we had to turn off because of hiding the bar. Digital Assistant and swipe animations, which are in the beta version. If you wish, you can use it or not. Alright, and if you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you'd like to change between the apps quickly, you do not have to open the recents and look for it, etc. All you have to do is to swipe your finger from the left to the right, or from the right to the left at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see, we can quickly change between different and previously opened apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.